Welcome back to StuntmanStige. My name's Stige, guys, and today we are back at the National Wildlife Preserve because we got a little bit of snow in the desert. We're gonna go play in that white fluffy stuff. And today, guys, is a solo expedition. I got nobody with me, so we're gonna go out, go see if we can see some wildlife, just go be out in this beautiful nature and go have a little adventure. Let's go see. So we got the new KC lights installed. They are not hooked up yet though, so I'm not gonna pull the covers off, but these things are sick. Flexera 4s. Ended up going with the flood on the bottom, spot on the top, but the cool thing with the KC lights is you can actually pop these bezels out and put in full spot, full flood, whatever you need to do. Those are, get that on right. And what I'm thinking with these, I saw the new Flexera 3s just came out, but I either want to get some more Flexera 3s to put down here, some Flexera 4s. Oh no, leave a comment, tell me what you guys think.
Wasn't hard to tell that your eyes were following me. Was like we were under a spell, and anyone could see. We had to say goodbye before we had a chance to see what we held in our hands, what it could have been. You almost missed your flight. I'm not even gonna pretend try to slow you down, to postpone the end. send me a text saying, wish things were differently, but I'm already with someone. As for my sympathy,
There it is, guys, the white fluffy stuff. Goal today is gonna try to get up there and play around in the snow a little bit. It's November, so we're just starting to get into the winter months, but that's what we're gonna try to get up to today, guys. We just got on the backside of this mountain after getting some epic drone shots. Now let's see if we can get up to that snow. As we're making our way to the summit, I wanted to give you a little update and timeline on the ZR2 build for Baja, because I know I was gone for pretty much the year of 22, and yeah, I wanted to keep you guys updated on everything. I'll do another YouTube video here shortly on my checklist of everything I want to get completed before we start racing, but the goal is still clear. We are going to build this truck to race in the Baja 1000. That's the end goal. So there's still quite a bit of work to do. Really the main pieces that I have to get completed that are going to be the biggest heavy hit on the pockets are the roll cage and the fuel cell. So getting those two things completed, I got to find a shop. I think Wreck-It Fab might be able to help me out with that this year, and yeah, so just finding a good shop that can build a solid roll cage that'll pass spec, and then or tech inspection, and then getting a fuel cell. And then once we get all that, you know, the communications, Lawrence GPS, all that kind of stuff, really the last little pieces I need to get buttoned up. And honestly, once I get all that, I don't have to, you know, upgrade the shocks and everything. Those are nice to haves in the future, but what I think I'm going to do is I'm just going to wait for, you know, the shocks to break or something when we were racing, and then once they're broken, I'll just replace them. But yeah, so that's really the big ticket items in 2023, and the goal, what I'm going to try to do is, if I can save up enough money this year, is to get those completed, and then get the truck inspected, and then start racing in 2024. And we're not going to jump straight into SCORE International. I'm going to do some local stuff here, probably enter in like SCORE, Best in the Desert. Also got to figure out how I'm going to pay for all that, because that stuff is not cheap to enter, if you guys have looked into that stuff. So going to be looking for sponsors, all that good stuff. But yeah, just really excited. I wanted to keep you guys updated on the build. Like I said, guys, I know I was out for a little while. I've just been focused on work and making sure I can keep this channel fueled for you guys and keep it for myself, so I can just keep chugging along at these goals. But yeah, I'm super excited. The timeline got extended a little bit, but it is what it is, guys. That's life. But like I said, guys, the goal has not changed. But there is going to be, whether it's in 2024 or 2025, looking more like 2025, we'll probably be going down and racing in SCORE and racing, you know, the Baja 500, Baja 1000, and just getting prepped for that. So I appreciate you guys sticking along, supporting the channel. And I just can't wait to show you guys what we have in store in the future. So, but as we keep trekking to the top, I can't wait. We're getting closer and closer to the snow. That's the goal today, guys, to get up in the snow, play around, have some fun. Let's get to the top. Well, guys, we just arrived at Peekaboo Canyon. It's got some awesome cliff faces. This is one of my favorite areas up here. You guys can see there's got Joshua trees mixed in with the junipers in the high desert. Absolutely stunning. I love when you get these blends of ecosystems. You got the junipers mixing in with the joshies. Absolutely epic. Oh, look what we just found. First snow in the desert, baby. Now we're gonna go try to find the mother lode up top. Made it to Mormon Pass, 6,600 feet in elevation, and looks like we didn't get the snow we were wanting. That's okay. I'm going to plan another snow adventure up Wheeler Pass once we get a little bit more snow, but there we go. First snow of the year. Not bad. Wow. Epic out today. It's like 45. This bluebird, I mean, you can't really ask for a better day. I was just hoping we were going to get a little bit more snow up here. That's all right. So that just means next adventure, guys, I'm going to try to go up to Wheeler and hit it when it starts getting super snowy. But you can see that they did get a little bit of snowpack. This is a little dust. And it looks like, not much snow on the big peak. Yeah, well, looks there's some hanging out in the shadows. All right, next time, guys, we're gonna go up to Wheeler and see if we can get some snow. gonna do it for today's video. Unfortunately, we didn't get to find the white fluffy stuff we were looking for on the first dump. We're at the top of Mormon Pass. I'm enjoying a delicious peanut butter and jelly sandwich. And yeah, next round we'll go find some snow. I'll probably hit Wheeler. And thank you guys for checking out the channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and drop a comment for and some places you'd like to see me go adventure. Got peanut butter stuck in my throat. Thank you guys again. We'll see you on the next adventure.
Thank you.